In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a folder Google Drive. If you've ever tried to right-click a folder in Drive and look for duplicate, you know it isn't there. The quick workaround is to download the folder as a zip, upload that zip back to Drive, and extract it so Drive rebuilds the same folder and files for you. Here's exactly how to do it, start to finish. Open your browser and go to the Google homepage. In the top right, click the 9-dot app grid and choose Drive to open your My Drive. Navigate to the folder you want to duplicate so it's selected on the screen. Because Drive can't copy whole folders natively, download it first. With the folder highlighted, look toward the top bar and click the download icon. Drive will compress the folder into a zip file. A progress box appears in the bottom right, and then your browser will save the zip to your computer. Wait until that download finishes before you continue. Next, upload that zip back to Drive. In the Drive tab, click the New button in the upper left, then choose File Upload. In the file picker, select the zip you just downloaded and confirm. You'll see an upload status indicator in the bottom right. Let it finish completely. Larger folders can take a bit depending on your connection. Once the zip is in your Drive, click it to open the preview. In the preview toolbar, click the 3 dots for More Actions, then choose Open with ZIP Extractor. If this is your first time using it, you may be asked to allow the app to access your Drive. Approve that so it can create the files. In the ZIP Extractor window, click Extract to Drive. The tool will recreate the folder structure and all the files from the zip directly in your Drive. You'll see a progress bar as it extracts. Keep the tab open until it says the extraction is complete. Return to your Drive. You should now see a new folder, typically named after the zip or the original folder, containing the same items as the original. That's your duplicate. To stay organized, you can rename the copy or move it wherever you like inside Drive. And that's it. You've duplicated a Google Drive folder by downloading, uploading, and extracting, all within a few clicks. Remember to make sure you have enough storage space for both copies, and give big folders extra time to process.